What is up, guys? Welcome back in to the channel. In this video, we're going to explore a few different altcoins, which could provide potentially good upside in the future. These are a few coins I'm buying already, I'm already holding and looking to hold for the next 5 years, depending on what they do. Of course, if they go up in, 10, 100x in the next year, of course, I'm going to capitalize on that. But in general, these are coins that I'm bullish on. Now, quick market overview, $3.32 trillion crypto market, really nice. Let's catch up to gold, come on. Fear and Greed Index sitting at 58 as well. We can see we've had a good day here for Ethereum, BNB, Solana. The CMC 100 is looking pretty warm today with a nice greedy indicator on the side. So I want to just talk about a few different coins where, if you're a whale out there, if you're someone that's more of an advanced trader, or if you've just got a bit more to sort of expend on coins, which is great, you might see some better upside because some of these tokens have got a big market capital already. So in order to make a large, sort of gain, you're going to need a larger capital to begin with. Now, the first coin is SU token. SU token is for sure one that does excite me. Build beyond. SU delivers the benefits of Web3 with the ease of Web2. And you can see here a lot of partners here, a lot of innovative companies build on the SU. Very scalable, fast infrastructure that we have got here. SU's price structure right now did hit $5.23 and it actually went up a bit higher on some exchanges, but you can see it's at $3.30 right now. Had a great recovery from $2 up to $4, delivering a 2x recently. But I think, just zooming out and looking ahead, far ahead in the future, I think we can see an ecosystem like this perhaps even have $50 to $100 billion market cap. So it did actually value in at 14.7 billion, but SU is for sure one of those tokens that, excites me. And I think it's got so much fundamental value. It's across all big exchanges. It's very, very popular now. Loads of people talk about it. And it's certainly up there as one of the top giants, one of those sort of top 20 cryptocurrencies. Now, if you're a whale or a trader and you need somewhere safe, a good place to trade and do your buying and selling, you can use Bitnix, which is one of our partners here on this particular channel. If you sign up, you may also receive some bonuses, but they're no KYC if you don't want it. They're globally accessible and the trading fees are nice and low. You can do everything on this exchange. You can copy trade, you can stake, you can do leverage trading. There's nothing you can't really do on this particular exchange, and it's very easy to on-ramp and off-ramp fiat as well. So check them out down below. Next up, we have another token, which I really do like again. This is HBAR, Hadira, a new era for Hadira, announcing new ecosystem identities, leadership, and cross collaboration. So you can see incredible transaction efficiency here. 2.9 seconds to consensus finality, 0.000003 average kilowatt per transaction here, and a very, very low average cost to utilize this ecosystem at the same time. So really like it. Fully doxed coin, 0.1735 in price at the moment. Of course, compared to its all-time high, it actually hit 30 cents or 34 cents this bull cycle, and last time 45 cents. So you can really see actually it's because of inflation. It's because of token dilution created by inflation when more coins go to the ecosystem. What you do want to look at is the market capital. Market capital, it hit an all-time high this bull market cycle of 12.9 billion. Again, by 2030, I think coins like this could be 50, 75, $100 billion in their valuation. So it's another one that I sort of buy on the dips. I hold for a long time. But of course, if I do see anything, exponential, I do see a crazy trajectory out there. I'm just human. I'm going to take those profits, right? So definitely a great coin with a very, very strong roadmap. And every big project needs a big roadmap attached to it. Next coin is going to be called Seaxi. Seaxi is a new one out there. They've just raised $43 million in their ICO. Their testnet and bridge is now live, which is great to see at the same time. And we can see here, looking, their Explorer is now live. So the product is coming to life. Now at heart, Seaxi is a layer 2 scaling solution for Solana. It's launching on major exchanges very soon, and only 13 days and 2 hours remain until this particular ICO utility-based coin will end. And then it will list. It will be done and dusted. So one Sol X is 0.001744. You can buy with crypto. You can use MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, and simply convert either Ethereum or Tether into your desired amount of Sol X coins. The roadmap, it's in pre-sale process now. It will soon be going to token generation event, bridging, and listings. And then, we're going to see other things happen for this more products come to life. A DEX, an Igniter protocol, where effectively people can make their own cryptocurrencies on the chain. We've got 138 billion coins here and a really nice solid token allocation model here at the same time. So this could be one of those coins that does very well. Check them out on Twitter, do a bit of research on the token with the link that is down below for Seaxi. I really hope it does well. Next coin, you know, it's going to be, of course, XRP. XRP is a very, very big one. $2.21 at the moment. Of course, you know, all these coins you can pretty much buy here with Bitnix. So as you can see, XRP is here, $2.21. You can buy it, you can leverage it, you can do whatever you want to on the trading side. Really solid exchange. Shout out to those guys. So yeah, $129.9 billion market cap. That is incredible. From 2022, this coin has gone up like 6x, which is pretty good. You know, you can't knock that. Now, I do think in the future, 5-10 years time, we could see XRP perhaps pricing at $300 billion to $1 trillion in market capital. Sounds crazy, but it's always a possibility depending on the, you know, total valuation of XRP. If you think about the XRP dominance, the percentage of, you know, the market share here, it's probably like 3%, the XRP dominance. So if the global markets of crypto climbs higher, you know, is that 3%? I don't know, actually. I'm trying to think about it now. Probably something like 3%. If it does go higher, let's say blockchain goes to, you know, $10 trillion in valuation, then we're going to see XRP valued in around sort of 350 billion if it has a 3% dominance overall. So it's a possibility if it holds its dominance, if it holds its value here in the market, it could be a very good one. Of course, cycle on cycle, it's had its issues, it's had its pressures, but so far looking better, much, much better, in fact. And it could be one that's good to hold for the future. And I do already hold quite a lot of this particular, you know, token. What else we got? We got PEPE coin, you know, something a bit different here. Yes, I think, you know, meme coins are risky. They have their time and place in the market, of course. PEPE, in my opinion, is now like the Dogecoin of 2025. So PEPE coin for sure, one that I'll be buying a lot of in the future bear market and holding on to as well, all the way through to 2030 onwards, because I really love this guy. And next meme coin cycle, I don't know what the next Dogecoin, the next PEPE, the next Shiba is going to be, but I still feel like this one will be performing very, very well, because who doesn't love this little green frog? Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, check out my Patreon. If you're a whale, if you're a trader, if you're a crypto lover, my Patreon down below will help guide you to better places in the crypto market to achieve time, location, and financial freedom. You know, we've recently called out some alphas in the group, like Mealy, like the Dammit token, which went way up over 10x for the holders. And you're also going to get a bunch of trading signals where you can make more money through easy to follow buy and sell trading signals. They are all down below for you to take a look at, guys. So yeah, if you're new here, subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you very soon. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.